Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is contemplate. It's pronounced con-tum-plate, and it is spelt C-O-N-T-E-M-P-L-A-T-E. Think con, then tem, and then plate. Contemplate means to think about or look thoughtfully at something for a long time. For example, you could say, I'm contemplating moving to Canada. The word contemplate comes from the Latin contemplatus, meaning reflect upon, ponder, or study. Contemplate means something very similar today. It still means to think about for an extended period of time. There are lots of things that you can contemplate. You could contemplate what you want to do at the weekend or what you want to have for dinner. If you think for a while about something, especially a decision, you could say you are contemplating it. Contemplate is a verb and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, I'm contemplating going for a run in the morning, if you were thinking about going for a run in the morning. Or you could say, the incessant rain made my parents contemplate their plan to go to the beach that afternoon. Contemplate is defined in the dictionary as to spend time considering a possible future action, or to consider one particular thing for a long time in a serious and quiet way. Contemplate synonyms include view, regard, examine, inspect, observe, survey, study, scan, consider, aim, and ponder. Antonyms include forget, ignore, neglect, reject, and disregard. See if you notice anyone contemplating anything today. It could be a friend deciding what game they want to play, or your parents choosing which film they want to watch on TV. Either way, impress them by using your new word today. Contemplate. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.